I don't understand this assignment my teacher gave me. It's about volcanoes, but what even is it saying? They did explain it, but I need more than just words to understand it. What do I do?
Jevin, what's the problem, buddy?
I don't understand this assignment my teacher gave me about volcanoes, and like I know what she said, but I don't properly understand it because it's just words and text. How am I meant to understand that? Like, for example, what does volcanic ash really mean? How will I know that? And like, what are mud flows? I can't know that properly without like seeing it in real life.
I mean, if that's the problem, then why don't we make a model to see how the volcano erupts?
That would be really cool, and then it would be a fun way to do it, and you could like I could show it to my teacher and I could tell it's my assignment's complete, and it would be like a really fun way to do it as well.
Yeah, then just do it.
Yeah. So we can make a real volcano?
Well, not a real volcano, but we can make a mini volcano. And we can do that by using materials such as vinegar and baking soda.
Baking soda and vinegar? How will that make a volcano?
So what happens is when you mix a baking soda and a vinegar, they create a gas called carbon dioxide. Have you heard of it?
Yeah.
So it builds up pressure inside the volcano. The same way it happens in the real volcano as well. So when it build up enough pressure inside the volcano, it erupts.
Yeah.
So that's why we're gonna test it today by building this model.
That's so cool, but I still don't understand how to make it.
Don't worry, we'll build it step by step. And now let's start gathering the material.
Alright, what do we need?
Let's see. So first of all, we need clay to make the shape of the volcano.
Yeah.
Then to make a reaction like a volcano eruption, we need vinegar and baking soda.
Yeah.
Then among other things, we need food coloring,
Okay.
and finally we need a dish soap.
Okay.
So, Nevi, can you help us make this volcano?
Sure. I think we have most of the ingredients and materials with us already.
Why do we need food coloring and dish soap? Dish soap.
Yeah, that's a good question. So first of all, we need food coloring to make it look like a realistic lava eruption, because the lava is like reddish and orange mix, right? So we need food coloring for that. And the reason we need dishwash soap is to create bubbles. You know, when lava erupts, it will look like soapy and bubbly, right?
Yeah.
So that's why we need both of those things.
That's so cool. Perfect. Bubble soap, we can use this. Baking soda and vinegar. That's everything. I can't open this clay. None of them are opening.
Here, you might need these items also. I have this paper plate, a stapler, and also an empty glue bottle, right? And most importantly, please use this and don't destroy my table, okay?
Okay. Maybe I could put the clay around this like that.
Exactly. You can cover the bottle with clay and make it look like a huge mountain.
This is starting to look like an actual mountain, but when will it erupt?
For that to happen, we need to include vinegar, baking soda together. So
Oh,
that what creates that reaction that erupts as a
so
volcano.
it will be hard to pour it in like that. How about we make a funnel to pour it in?
Yeah, that will be a good idea.
We can use a paper plate. There's a dotted line here for us to cut. So, what are the steps to make it?
So the first thing we have to do is we have to pour the dish soap.
Okay. Ah! I think I broke it. Let me.
Fine, so you can use it.
I'll put it in. I could use the funnel actually.
No, no. That's enough. That's enough.
Okay.
Okay.
It's going in. Okay, that's done. Next.
So next thing we have
We'll
to
add
do
the
is we have to
bubble.
add the bubbles. Yeah, for sure. Don't put too much. We need space for the vinegar. That's enough. That's enough.
Okay.
Close it up.
Now we'll add
Food
the
coloring.
food coloring. So how about we insert it into this tube?
Yeah.
We can try that.
Because then it'll be easier to take it. Nothing came. We need to experiment a bit.
Is it enough? Yeah, it's enough.
That's it.
It's enough. It's coming out.
Okay,
That's enough.
A bit.
That's enough.
Yeah, it spilled. No, I don't think any went in. We should try again from here.
Okay.
That's enough.
Okay. Yeah, that would be.
That works.
That should be enough.
So only two more things are left. The steps. So
The baking
we
soda.
have to have- So we need spoon for the baking soda, right?
Yeah.
Maybe we need a spoon.
Ah!
Oh, okay. We got a spoon here.
Okay, so we'll add some on here. A lot.
Yeah, 1 teaspoon is enough.
Yeah. So like,
That's more than 1 teaspoon.
yeah.
Okay, that works. We can put it through the pan.
And now we can just
Yeah, you can push everything inside. Did it all went in?
No, there's still a bit. Now it looks like a snowy mountain.
A snowy volcano.
So when it erupts, it's going to be even bigger because there's dust on the side.
Yeah, it will react all the way.
So 3, 2, 1.
You have to take it up.
It's an eruption. Oh no, it's off the table.
Maybe.
Oh, look! Okay.
Let's add more baking soda.
That's
Oh, that's enough. Okay, look, now the dye is also coming out.
okay.
Why is it
Now
not?
it's time for cleaning.
Cleaning.
What is the smell?
Uh,
Oh no, look what you've done. The chair, the table. Now you guys have to clean this up, right? You have to clean this mess.
oh no.
Understood?
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Maybe.